Hello, hi my beautiful queen, welcome back to my channel. This is Ale Love. I'm back with another video, guys. Today is a simple way to do knotless braid, guys. Knotless braid, the best way to do it, guys, because sometimes when you start with your hair, it doesn't last long. The best way is to take a little bit of, you just use a little bit of the hair and start your knotless braid with, guys. You see how I'm doing? I'm just using a little tiny hair and adding when I start braiding, I'm start adding more hair, guys. It's what I'm doing. This is the best way to do your knotless braid to last longer, because if you just start with your own hair, it doesn't last very long. This is the best way to start, guys. Just a tiny hair to make your hair a little bit to last long, guys. I know I'm talking too much, the same thing. Thank you, my queen. Thank you so much to like my video, guys. You have a question, let me know in the comment below, guys. I know I'm coming with my business soon, guys. I'm trying to put all my things together before I can let you know what I am doing. Okay, guys, thank you so much, guys. Please like the video if you like it, like the video, share and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you, queen.